Hi everyone, welcome back to Zen Hair Vietnam YouTube channel. I'm Zen. On the last video, we just show you about the Burmese hair, how is the Burmese hair and what is the Burmese hair. So today we will compare the Burmese hair and the Vietnam hair. What's the difference between two kinds of hair and what is the better? So let's start to find out what's different between two types of hair now. We have some Burmese hair cut from donor here. That's the Burmese hair cut from donor. I just show you in the last video. And that is the Vietnam hair cut from donor. Okay, we will compare that. You can see the difference. The Vietnam hair totally straightened, very straightened, and the Burmese hair a little wavy. Just a little wavy. Secondly, about the texture. The Burmese hair very soft, very soft. Softer than Vietnam hair. Softer. The silky Vietnam hair is more silkier than Burmese hair. The texture. The strength, Vietnam hair, very healthy strength. The cuticle intact. And the Burmese hair is the same. But I think the Vietnam hair strength more healthy than the Burmese hair. That's the texture of Burmese hair, very okay. About the texture, we have one more thing. The Burmese hair completely natural. Never have any chemical or anything in the hair. Yes, totally 100% natural. I think because of the Myanmar women know how to take care of the hair, and they protect the hair very much. They don't use any color on their hair. But the Vietnam hair, you can see, I have one bundle here. It's brown. Because the Vietnam girl loves the color of hair, so some Vietnam girl use the color on their hair. But for another hair, yes, Vietnam hair is a completely natural hair, unprocessed and no chemical, very natural. Two kinds of hair, very different to think what is better. So to find which the hair is better, we just testing about the coloring in the factory. So you can see that's the Burmese hair we color. That is the Vietnam hair we color. You can see after the coloring, the Burmese hair a little wave. Vietnam hair totally straightened like that. Let's compare after coloring how the hair is. About the texture, after coloring, you know, we use same technique, we use same processing how to color. But after the color, you can see the Burmese hair a little coarse than Vietnam hair. The texture still okay, but it's a little coarse than Vietnam hair. Vietnam hair after coloring totally fine. It's I think the best color of hair in the world. The texture so soft, the strength very healthy and silky and very soft. Before I told you the material from Myanmar is softer than Vietnam hair material, but after coloring, the Vietnam hair is softer. I think because of Myanmar hair a little coarse, so after coloring, it's not soft like Vietnam hair. So after coloring, after test through bleaching, we found it was better. I think Vietnam hair still better for coloring. But we try to make wavy from Burmese hair. It's very okay, even though better than Vietnam hair. So if you want to make the wavy, make the curly, I think the Burmese hair is better for better material. The secondly, I want to tell you about price. Vietnam hair price all the way higher than Burmese hair, from $100 to $300. Sometimes the Vietnam hair increase price so much because the texture and everything about the Vietnam hair always better. About the Vietnam or the Myanmar, almost the hair in the same place in the capital of each country. So it can easy to find any hair company in the capital of Myanmar or in the capital of Vietnam. So this is my opinion, my own opinion about two kind of hair. How about you guys? Hope you have another idea. Please comment on this video to share with me. How do you think about two kind of hair? How's your experience about two kind of hair? Okay. So this video to end today. If you have any question, any confused, don't hesitate to comment on this video. We will discuss or we will show you in the next video. Okay. Thank you for watching.